Let's break this down into 3 parts: maintaining a healthy sex life, nutrition for sexual health, and educational resources. Maintaining a healthy sex life. Communication. Open and honest communication with your partners is crucial. Discuss your desires, boundaries, and concerns openly and respectfully. Safe sex. Use protection, like condoms or dental dams, to prevent sexually transmitted infections, STIs, and unintended pregnancies. Regular health checkups. Visit a healthcare provider for regular checkups, including STI testing and discussions about sexual health. Emotional well-being. Maintain good mental health through stress management, communication, and emotional support. Emotional well-being is closely tied to sexual health. Exercise. Regular physical activity can improve circulation, boost self-confidence, and contribute to overall well-being, which can enhance your sex life. Sleep. Quality sleep is important for hormone regulation and overall health, which can positively impact sexual health. Nutrition for sexual health. Balanced diet. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats supports overall health, including sexual health. Hydration. Staying hydrated is essential for maintaining sexual health. Dehydration can lead to vaginal dryness or erectile dysfunction. Specific nutrients. Some nutrients like zinc, vitamin D, and omega-3 fatty acids have been associated with improved sexual function. Incorporate foods like nuts, seeds, fish, and leafy greens into your diet. Moderation. Avoid excessive alcohol consumption, as it can lead to sexual dysfunction. Smoking and drug use can also have negative effects on sexual health. Educational resources. Sex education. Seek out reputable sources of sex education to learn about sexual health, consent, relationships, and safe sex practices. This can include books, online courses, and community workshops. Therapy and counseling. If you're facing specific challenges in your sex life, consider speaking with a therapist or counselor who specializes in sexual health or relationships. Online forums and support groups. Online communities can provide a safe space to ask questions, share experiences, and seek advice on sexual health care.